'cause a little reminder can't hurt. Now, when you get your jars of wild-crafted sea moss gel, you'll get a little lesson too. I always get the question, what is sea moss gel good for? And the short answer is, when taken regularly, all things. Now, when you get your jars of SugarPearls wild-crafted sea moss gel, you'll get a handy postcard listing a few of sea moss gel's life-changing benefits. We also added important reminders for consuming and storing your sea moss gel properly. Want a 100% all-natural supplement to add to your routine? Get SugarPearls wild-crafted sea moss gel today. SugarPearls, food that loves you back.